Hey guys, it's me Marty and welcome back to Glam with Marty. So today I have something different for you guys. I had a couple of people ask me to do this. They wanted me to show you guys my entire collection of Dossier perfumes. This is the Dossier collection. This is not all my perfumes, obviously. This is just my Dossier collection. So I'm going to show you guys each one. I'm going to tell you what I think about the smell and just all that kind of stuff. We're just going to chit chat today about perfume. So let's get to it. If you guys want to check that out, you can just keep on watching. Thanks. Okay, y'all, so real quick, I'm going to include some cards from my other Dossier unboxings that I've done so far. I'm going to include those at the top. I'm not going to mention every time I do because I've done all of these on an unboxing. So, also, sorry about that noise. That noise was the fan, but now it's off, so we should be better. Louis doing much, much better. I don't know where he is. He's here somewhere, and he's just doing great and thriving, and I'm excited about it. A little bit of what Dossier actually is. So Dossier is a website. They're a store brand. They actually are just a website. I've seen them in stores too, actually, which surprised me. But they use the same notes and scents as designer fragrances, and they smell, the ones I've smelled that have a designer counterpart, I have smelled a lot of the designer ones and had a lot of the designer ones, and I will say most of these smell just like the designers. So let's go through all of my collection. I have 11 bottles here, y'all, so it's going to take a while. I am also going to link every single scent down below in case you guys want to check them out as well. So let's get started. We're going to go through all of them. Let's start with Floral Marshmallow. So Floral Marshmallow is also one that I'll be giving away when I hit 500 subscribers. I have a whole nother one of these in a box that I'll be giving away because this is one of my favorite like everyday scents. So the top notes are marshmallow, neroli, bergamot. The middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orris. And the base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. If you put vanilla or marshmallow as a base to something, I'm going to love it because I like sweet smells. I love this one. It smells sweet, but it has this like underlayer of floral scents. And I believe, I don't have it in front of me, but I believe this one is supposed to be, it's reminiscent of Killian's Don't Be Shy, I think is what it's called. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it in the note, in the text right here, but I'm pretty sure that's it. Oh, I love this one. This one is one that I definitely love. I wear, like I said, that's more of an everyday scent for me. I like it. Not too strong, not weak, but not too strong. Next, we have Citrus Green Apple. Citrus Green Apple, of course, y'all already probably know what I'm going to say about it. It's a very fresh scent, really good for the summer. The top notes, yeah, oh, I love that smell. That's a good, like, just room spray smell. Like, it's super fresh. It's kind of fruity. It just smells really good. This includes top notes of green apple, lime, and cedrat. Cedrat? I don't know. C-E-D-R-A-T. And the middle notes are bluebell, jasmine, and rose. Base notes are amber, cedarwood, and musk. I will tell y'all, usually floral scents and me don't get along because my headaches. Floral scents tend to trigger my migraines. But these, for some reason, the floral scents are never the first thing I smell. Even though it may be the top note. Well, most of them looks like it's middle note and base notes. But these don't bother my head that much. Some of them do. And it's actually some of my favorite ones that kind of aggravate my head. But I wear them anyway because I just love the way they smell so much. So Citrus Green Apple. I like this one for like a teenager. Like if you're a kid, if you're like in high school and you have like a little gym bag, like you go to the gym to dress out. And y'all will see in most of my videos where I sit here, which is where I usually shoot. This is my usual shooting area. Y'all will always see the Dossier perfume sitting right there in the little tray because I like having them around me. So anyway, and I love the packaging of Dossier. I love when everything matches. So this one is Ambery Cherry. I believe this one was Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. I like this way more than I thought I was going to. As a matter of fact, this one might be in my top 3 fragrances. It smells so like sexy and feminine, and it's just like the cherry scent is strong in it, but I like it. I feel like I smell like a candy when I put it on, and y'all know how I am. Bon Bon is my favorite perfume of all time. And it's because of that, followed by Viva La Juicy, followed by Love Pink. Those all are super sweet scents. This one I love too. It's more of an adult scent though. Like where Citrus Green Apple, I call it like a teenage scent, like a teeny bopper scent. This is a woman's scent. Next we have Ambery Saffron. This one I love. This one is really strong though. It is a dupe for the Baccarat 450. And y'all know how crazy the hype is for Baccarat 450 Rouge, Baccarat Rouge 450, or Baccarat 450 Rouge. I smelled it. I didn't think it was all that, but I think when a price point is that high, people just want to smell it to see if it's worth the hype. But anyway, this one is Ambery Saffron, and it also reminds me a lot, and I've heard this multiple times, it reminds me a lot of Ariana Grande Cloud. And people seem to compare those two a lot. The Ariana Grande Cloud smells so freaking good, but none of her perfumes really last all day. I'm not mad at it though, but they just don't last all day. This one definitely lasts all day. It smells like that one. Again, that's a woman scent right there. That smells so good. It's like woman, but not flowery. It's like strong woman. Almost could be a unisex perfume, I would guess. So the top notes of this is saffron and orange blossom, and then middle notes are jasmine, plum, and cedarwood. Base notes are oak moss, fir, balsam, and amber. So yeah, with those scents like fir, balsam, and cedarwood and saffron, those are the things I'm talking about. Like, it smells strong. Next, Ambery Vanilla, a scent I love. This one is another everyday scent. I gave my sister one for Christmas, and I gave my mom one for Christmas because I just really like the smell, and I know they're always looking for scents like I am. This one has mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice as the top notes. Middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and the bottom is cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. I like this one. This is one of the lighter scents, which is, like I said, for me, I'm not mad at that, but this is one of the lighter scents. It's not super strong, but I like it. Also, the ones that are strong, like Ambery Saffron, and there's a few more I'm going to talk about in a minute. Ambery Saffron, I think Fruity Brown Sugar, Powdery Coconut, those are a little bit strong. So what I do is, to not give myself a headache, I spray it in the air and then I just walk under it. Instead of spraying it, I usually do one here, one on the wrist, one on the elbow, and then I rub them together. But like this one, I have to spray it in the air and then walk under it, so I just get a little bit of the scent on me. This one I adore. This is Fruity Brown Sugar. I want to say it's supposed to be Carolina Herrera Good Girl. Is it YSL Montpellier? I think out of all of these, I think Ambery Cherry, Ambery Saffron, and Fruity Brown Sugar are my three favorites. I love this one. Sexy woman, date night, I'm going to a business meeting, like it smells like that. Not super girly and frilly, like I'm a woman but I'm about to handle my business, so don't play with me. That's what this one smells like. Top notes are bergamot, raspberry, and pear. Middle notes, jasmine, orange blossom, brown sugar. Base notes, patchouli, amber, and vanilla. Powdery orange flower. I will say the powdery scents, I have powdery vanilla, powdery coconut, sorry. I have powdery coconut and I have powdery orange flower. These are like I said, they're like after the gym scents. Like if you go to the gym and you want to feel fresh, like fresh out the shower, spritz these on. This one, yeah, it smells like, not like a candy, almost like an orange drink. Like not orange juice, but like an orange drink. That's what it smells like. It smells so good. I haven't smelled some of these in a long time. Because I wear a perfume every single day, but I pick a perfume to stay with all week unless I have like something, some special event that I have to change it out for. But powdery orange flower smells like, yeah, fresh out the shower, went to the gym, need a quick spritz, go on about your business. Love it. It's a good fragrance for those girls that don't like to smell super perfumey. It just smells good. Almost like a body spray, but it lasts longer. So that is powdery orange flower. Powdery coconut, another one that I love. Anything coconut, I'm usually down for. Yeah, smells like coconut mixed with baby powder. Top notes are cardamom, pistachio, bergamot, liang liang, tuberose, jasmine. Base notes are cedarwood, amber, benzoin, and coconut. And like I said, the coconut, it smells like fresh at the beach, like baby powder and a pina colada. It smells really good though. That's another one that, again, those powdery ones after the gym, or you just need a quick refresher. You just got off of work, but you're going to dinner, want to run home, spritz real quick, and then be on your way because you're late. If you're me, that's how my life goes, but you know. So we have 3 more left. We're moving right along. Good. I thought this was going to take longer than this. Next we have Gourmand Orange Blossom. This is the one that smells like a candy. Yes. Ooh. It smells like a orange gummy bear or like an orange fruit by the foot or something like that. That's what it smells like. It's very sweet, very fresh. It's not floral though. It's just sweet. Like there's a lot of food in it. Yeah, okay. So we have orange blossom, black currant, and hazelnut for the top notes. Orris, jasmine, sambac, and patchouli middle, and then base notes praline, vanilla, tonka bean. Y'all see what I'm saying? Smells like dessert. I love it. That one I would say girls weekend. I don't know why. I feel like we're taking a little road trip, going somewhere where we're getting a hotel and pampering ourselves and just spending time with each other. I like this one. That's what that smells like to me. Fruity Magnolia. This is the one I'm currently wearing this week. This one, I don't remember if they said that or not, but Fruity Magnolia smells just like Versace Bright Crystal. I used to wear that one a lot, and it smells so much like it. Like, as a matter of fact, I'm wearing that today. Let me spritz a little bit more on because I have some company coming over. So, this one, like I said, reminds me of Versace. Smells expensive, like Versace, but it's fresh. It's not overpowering, but it smells fresh, even though it's a floral scent, and I usually don't like those. The floral scent is like joined by these fruity sweet scents. So, like, okay, yeah. Top notes are pomegranate, yuzu, and aquatic accord. Middle notes, magnolia, peony, and rose. And the base notes are amber, musk, and akaju wood. So, every day going to work, I like this. This is Fruity Magnolia. Next, last but not least, we have Aquatic Peony. Oh crap, I forgot about this one. This one smells really good too. This one surprised me with how good it smells. Aquatic Peony. Yes, I didn't think. Even though it is a floral scent, it just smells really fresh and clean, and I really like that. The top notes are mint, blackcurrant, lemon, aquatic accord. Middle notes are peony, jasmine, and pink pepper. Base notes are cedarwood and labdanum. I have no idea what that is. I like this one too. This one smells really good. So let me go over some things with y'all first, but before I strain myself to do this. These perfumes they range in price from like $29 to like $49, depending on which scent you buy. Most of them are $29 though. The packaging, I always love the packaging. I don't have any of the boxes. Actually, I do have a box. I have the box for the one I'm giving away. Hold on, let me show you. These are what the boxes look like. That's your packaging. Just in case you were curious, this is what it looks like. This is you guys, Floral Marshmallow. When I give it away, this is the Floral Marshmallow that's gonna come with it for you. I haven't opened this bottle either. I just have it in the container because I wanted to show. This is how I'm gonna send it to you guys. I'm gonna just wrap it up real nice, stick it in the mail, and send it on down to you. So, Killian, don't be shy. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The bottles themselves have this nice. They have this bottle. I love the simplicity of the labels, and I love the simplicity of the bottles. I do love really creative like bottle shapes. Like I love that Ariana Grande puts hers in those little holders like Thank You Next and Cloud and Thank You Next 2.0. I think that's the only three I have right now that do that. But I know Rim does it and all those other ones do. But I like the plain simplicity of it too, because when you look at it in the tray, they just all look really good, clean, sophisticated. They just look really good. So if I had to pick a top three, it would be Ambery Cherry would be 3. No, Aquatic Peony would be 3. Ambery Cherry would be 2. And my favorite scent from Dossier would be Fruity Brown Sugar, which I absolutely adore. Also, I want to show y'all this too. The tops are magnetic, which is good, especially if you're traveling. It's not going to open up and spill all over the place. Alright, y'all, that's everything. That is my full collection of Dossier perfumes. Again, if you guys want to check any of the perfumes out, I'm going to list them all down below so that you can just click the link and go straight to them. Everything I'm wearing on my face. I know this wasn't a makeup video, but since I did my makeup, if you're curious to know like what lip this is, what eyeshadow I have on, that's all going to be listed down below. All of my socials are going to be down below, including my TikTok, which I am like on all the time now. I am kind of obsessed with TikTok already. It is just so fun. I love how quick it is. I love it. So you can follow my TikTok right here. You could follow my Instagram page if you want to see my glam in real time, as well as just stuff that goes around my house and all the stuff we do here. Louie and I, we're doing a mass cleanup because I'm about to go back to work. So we're trying to clean up the house really nice, and all that is being documented on my Instagram page. Also, I went to Acadiana Fashion Week, and I was taking a bunch of pictures and stories while I was over there, so you can check that out on my Instagram page, which is right here. Then last but certainly not least, my Twitter page, where I'm doing all sorts of random things. Today I was watching the finale of RuPaul's Drag Race All-Star 7. Yeah, I was live tweeting about that. I've been binging Married to Medicine, tweeting about that. So all of that stuff is going to be on my Twitter page, which can be found right here. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll be here next time you get glam if you come on over and get glam with Marty and smell good while you're doing it. Thanks. Bye.